Hello, welcome back to this episode of MathMeowTics. In this episode, we're going to do another problem example with fractions, and we're going to do equations. We're going to say this example number 2. All right, so let's say we have the problem 12/4 x plus 4 halves is equal to 3/9. Okay? Now again, just like before, I want to think about and I want to look at the numbers that are in my denominator, 4, 2, and 9. In order for me to clear those, we know what numbers can divide into all three. Okay, and honestly, there's no numbers that would divide into all three. So we could also look at it in terms of if we wanted to make an all common denominator, we would have to multiply all of the numbers by each other. So we're going to do the same concept in order to clear the fractions. Okay, so I'm going to say 4 times 2 times 9, which will give me 72. Now, I know that seems like a really big number in terms of handling this, but it's going to be okay. We have calculators, and it's going to make it easier for us in the long run. So I'm going to multiply both expressions, my entire equation, by 72. Okay, now that's going to, I'm going to rewrite this as 72 times 12x over 4, plus, because remember that x is not in the bottom, that's up top, plus 72 times 4 over 2 is equal to, now we have 3 times 72 over 9, okay? 72, okay, actually this one here, if we notice, that 4 will go into 72 and 12, okay? We're just going to divide it into only one of the two numbers, not both, okay? So 72, 4 goes into 72 18 times, okay? 2 will go into 72 36 times. And 3 will go into 9, but we want to remember, we want to get rid of the fraction. If we do 3 into 9, we'd still have the fraction on the bottom. So we're going to do 9 to 72. So 72 divided by 9 will give us 8. So now we have 18 times 12, which will give us 216x. Plus, we have 36 times 4 is equal to 144. Then we have 3 times 8, which will give us 24. I'm going to subtract 144 from both sides. That's going to give me 216x is equal to 24 minus 144, negative 120. We're going to divide both sides by 216. Now, we're going to have a fraction in our answer, I think. But that's okay. We can have a fraction. That becomes 1. X is equal to 120 divided by 216. Yep, we're going to have a fraction. Okay, so let's see. Divided by 216. 16. Trying to find a number that will evenly go into both. Let's try 9. Yeah, 9 will go into 216. 9 divided by 9. Nope. Divided by 5. That's all right. I'm just going to leave it as 120. I'm okay with that. Negative 120 over 216. I'm not going to worry about simplifying that. There's a lot of times in mathematics where you don't want to worry about, or you don't have to worry about simplifying the fraction any further. And in this case, I'm okay with you just leaving it like this. When you have your TI-84, you'll be able to simplify it. All right, I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.